welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys some of what we are giving Jacob for Christmas this year. Now this isn't everything that we're going to get him because I still want to do a little bit more Christmas shopping, and of course the grandparents and other family members will be giving him presents as well, but this is what we have for him so far, and I wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. So for Christmas this year, we really wanted to focus on getting Jacob a lot more educational toys. We find that the toys that have a lot of sound and a lot of music and like the little push button kind of toys don't really hold his attention for very long. And so we wanted to get him more educational toys, puzzle type things, things that will work on his fine motor skills and his hand-eye coordination. So the first thing I got for Jacob is this Deluxe pounding bench. It has 8 colorful non-removable pegs and a mallet. So basically you hammer down the first peg and then the peg right behind it will pop up. And so this really works on his hand-eye coordination as well as color identification and fine motor skills. Now it does say ages 2 and up, and Jacob is 14 months. But honestly, I think he'll do just fine with this. Jacob really likes to throw things down, and he likes to use his blocks like little hammers. So I think this will be very, very good for him. And this is by Melissa and Doug. Basically all the toys except for one toy is from Melissa and Doug, and I love this toy company. Their toys are all very well made and will last forever. So I definitely recommend buying this toy brand. The second Melissa and Doug toy I got for him is this Color Blocks wooden shape sorter. It comes with 12 shapes. You can see all of the shapes. Oops, the light. You can see all of the shapes on the back, and the shape inserts are on the sides as well as on the front. And like I said, Melissa and Doug toys are very well made. This is made out of wood. All the blocks are made out of wood as well. And this says that the skills that it will help to reinforce are fine motor development and of course colors and shapes. And this toy is suggested for 18 months and up, which is perfect for Jacob. We also picked up this Melissa and Doug animal magnet set. This comes with 20 wooden magnets, and you can see all of the animals that it comes with on the back. So I really wanted to get Jacob a magnet set so that if I'm working in the kitchen and his dad isn't home to play with him in the living room, he can have something to play with in the kitchen that isn't going to be all over the floor. Normally I would put him in his playpen, but he's definitely not a big fan of his playpen anymore. And so like I said, he can use these magnets on the refrigerator or on the dishwasher. Now these are the animal ones, and I also picked up the alphabet magnets from Melissa and Doug as well as number magnets, but I already gave him the numbers to play with, and the alphabet one, I'm thinking I might wrap that one up for Christmas as well. The next thing I picked up for Jacob is this First Play Safari Zigzag Tower. I picked this up from Ross. As you can see, it is Melissa and Doug. It comes with 5 wooden pieces. It says that it works on the skills of fine motor and colors and shapes, and this is for 12 months and up. So basically Jacob would just have to take these little rollers, or they kind of look like little dumbbells, and he just has to take them and put them at the very top, and then they will zigzag all the way down. And so it works with his fine motor skills to have him pick them up and put them back into the little slot to roll them down. And of course they have the cute little colors that you can talk about and match with what is on the zigzag board. And the final thing that I have for Jacob are these Bristle brush blocks. These I really have wanted to get Jacob for a while now because I think that these will be a lot easier for him to play with and to stick together than the regular building blocks. Right now Jacob has the Leapfrog Mega Blocks, which he does enjoy playing with, but he does get a little frustrated when he can't stick them together because obviously you have to line up the blocks to push them together. And with these, as you can see, there are bristles all around the blocks, and all he has to do is just push them together and they will hold. And they do come with different faces, different little colors on the blocks. This one looks like a wheel. We have another little face right here. And I know that my husband really does like playing blocks with him. I think my husband gets into it more than Jacob does. So this will be something that they can play with together. Now I did order this from Walmart, but I'll go ahead and find one on Amazon that is a comparable price, if not a better price, and I'll go ahead and link that down below. And I'll go ahead and link down below all the toys that we got for Jacob, so that if you guys are interested in checking those out for your kids, you can do that down there. And there are a couple other things that I know me and my husband want to get for Jacob. I'll go ahead and put a picture of what we want to get for him right here. I know that we do want to get him a like a jungle gym type thing that can go in the living room. I know that there are some Montessori toys that will allow for him to climb and slide, and it doesn't have to be outside. It can fit in the living room, which will be perfect for him because Jacob is a really energetic little guy. He loves going outside and running around, and well, attempting to run around. He's still learning how to walk, but yeah, he has a lot of energy. So we want to look for something to have him build to have him climb on in the living room. And then we also want to get him, or I really want to get him, a little child-sized chair. I know Pottery Barn has those really cute chairs. I'll put a picture of it right here that can have his name embroidered on the back. I'm not too, like, I don't have to have the name embroidered on the back. I would like that, but if I can find a chair that is really well made and has a really nice print on it, whether or not I get the name embroidered on the back doesn't really matter. But I have seen a couple chairs on Amazon that we are looking at getting for him. So yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what Jacob got for Christmas this year. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you guys don't miss any videos when I upload. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you guys are returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back and watching my videos every week. It truly means the world to me that you watch my videos. And if you guys are new, welcome. Please stick around, and I'll see y'all again in a couple of days in another video. Bye!